Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizocom. Today's video is about Umkhokha the Curse final teasers of February 2025. I continue where I left, 18th of February 2025. Mamzoba Evil life came to an end. Kapsile plead for forgiveness. The dramatic between Spamandla and gunmen shake everybody. 19th of February. Spamandla and Mabusi do whatever they can do to locate Mzobe's body. Meanwhile, at home, Mamzobe's grave is prepared. 20th of February. Mamzobe had a dream about what will happen to her. Then she started preparation for herself. Gapsile struggled to let her mother go, while Manzimande keep on pushing for Mamzobe's punishment. Skumba on the other side, he wants a revenge about the death of his father. 21st. Mamzobe faces the ultimate judgment. Spamandla faith heals their messes, and Sbusiso make a life-altering decision. 24th. Mabusi finally become a hero. A loving father make a compromise for his family. 25th. Mamzobe had hunt for her husband killer. Gamadondo faces a tough decision about Batle's future, while Mamzobe harvests what she blew. 26th. Mamzobe is facing with a painful decision. On the 27th, Manzimande gave Mamzobe a taste of her own medicine. Difa lies are exposed to the church. Ndlovu has no power to stop Sbatle's lobola. 28th. Demtembu and Gumedes have a reconciliation, but there will be a big problem coming. The end. The end of Umkhokha in this season left viewers crying a lot. They want Umkhokha to be continued. Lalel. Thank you. We will miss Umkhokha. It was very entertaining. Angfunungasho. Zobelicious was the best. I like Spamandla and Mabusi as couple. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it.